Look at those who have talked about you and doubted you. I might not be as successful as you are today, but tomorrow from now will be another story. If you are a champion, you can't be afraid to go out here and test yourself against the greatest challenges. Call it weakness if you will, but even the toughest individuals need assistance getting back on track. I think the champion is like a warrior. It's like the head knight, humble man of integrity, respect, and honor that treat people. I don't enjoy hitting people. I enjoy outsmarting them. Life is supposed to be about love and good times, and so I have forgiven myself after paying the consequences of my bad decision. Fighting was something inside of me that I did not realize was there. The biggest challenge is learning how to psych yourself up into believe in yourself as you walk into the octagon. The moment I left fear slip in is the moment that the fights are gonna start getting closer and closer. I am here to fight. I am here to protect whether you think I am a good person or not. I have given up on that. The higher the risk, the higher the reward. The struggles don't define you, it's how you handle them that determines who you are. I am very aware of my image and the perception of me. It's not my business what other people think of me. Just staying healthy. That is true wealth and true happiness. A rough beginning does not have to mean there is a rough end. I don't really deal in trash talk too much, but I show my confidence. Fitness really changed my life. We are all going to make mistakes. It's what you do after these mistakes that matters. If you do something bad, it doesn't mean you are a bad person. It means you had bad judgment. I just need to be myself and allow things to happen. If it's good God's will, good things will happen. It's a cold world out there, and this world will pass you by if you give another man anything over yourself. I believe I have the attitude of a champion and a winner, and I am not apologetic for it. I am extremely confident. I do believe my own hype, and I am working towards making it true. Thanks for watching Motivational Quotes, John Jones Quotes. Do subscribe to my channel, friends.